1931 Mack. Shipped off to Los Angeles, California in 1931. Sat on a lot over there until 1934, purchased by the city of Beverly Hills in 34. When they got through with the truck, it ended up in an auction. I don't know exactly what year that was. A guy out of Temecula purchased the thing. He then cleaned it up and ended up putting it on MacGyver. It was on MacGyver from 85 to 92. Truck went from there, went to Dave Daly's. It was a big quip shop in Norco, California. And Dave had it in his yard for 30 years and used it for watering down his roads. And I just happened to run across it on the internet. And he was asking $15,000 for it. And I ended up paying $10,000 for it, which was too much. It was in pretty sad shape. We kept looking at it. I almost scrapped it, and my wife told me, she says, "You bought it?" She said, "You fix it." And I said, "Well, we can eat $10,000 an hour, a lot more down the road." And ended up being a lot more down the road. The interior of the bar is all cherry. The interior of the truck, the floors are all cherry. It was fun putting it together. You know, the truck is it's one of a kind. There's nothing like it out there. It's got a 40-foot bar, 20 bar stools. We get a lot of comments on it. Meet a lot of good people. We hold 22 kegs of beer. We've got 4 CO2 canisters. I can pump about 4,000 beers non-stop out of this thing if it's set up right. We can set the kegs in series and just pump until they're all dry. Most I've ever pumped was over in Van Nuys, California. Did an event for Budweiser over there, and we pumped 19 kegs in about 5.5 hours. The engine's a 454 Chevy. The transmission's a Turbo 400. Behind that's a gear vendor. Got a split drive shaft system in it. It ties to a 1949 International 2-speed. Done a lot of other events around Hot Air Balloon Festival and Needles Car Show, Oatman, Laughlin River Run, Reggae Festival in Seattle, SEMA Show up in Las Vegas. So it's been around.